There comes a time in every man's life when he needs that special someone. And oh, I've been around the world looking for my special someone. I'm singing this one for myself. And I'm asking, is anybody here lonely? Maybe one day I'll be with you. Is anybody lonely? Anybody lonely? Are you lonely? 'Cause I'm lonely too. Maybe one day I'll be with you. I've been alone for a long time, waking up by myself, cooking my own dinner, washing my own clothes. Sometimes I lay in the bed at night and I cry myself to sleep, asking the Lord when I did wrong. I said, Lord, why am I alone? So this one is dedicated especially for me. Is there any ladies out there lonely? Is there someone for me? Anybody lonely? Oh, are you lonely? Are you lonely? 'Cause I'm lonely too. Maybe one day I'll be with you. Oh, yeah. Anybody lonely? Anybody lonely? Are you lonely? 'Cause I'm lonely too. Maybe one day I'll be with you. Oh, yeah. She don't have to be a movie star. She don't have to be a fancy girl. 'Cause I see a woman for what she is inside. All I want is a good girl.